Good morning students, I am Neha Sen, your SST teacher. I hope you all are doing good and you have understood the previous topic in history. What we were doing? We were doing history chapter number 6, town, traders and the craft person. Till now children, we have discussed about the place Thanjavur. Today the topic of discussion as related to your book is traders. We have studied about the town. What was the process of trading that time? Let us discuss in detail. As you know, the traders now also they move from one place to another for supplying, for purchasing. Traders move. Do you know that time how did they move from one place to another? They used caravans for moving from one place to another. It means the traders used caravans for doing the trading. There were two main groups for the trading. The first one was the Kshatriyas and the second one was the Marwari. They were the most two powerful group. You can see in the picture the image of the craft. Now what happened? The Panchalas were having, the community was having so many things under him. What was the community all about? It was having goldsmith, blacksmith, carpenters, masons, blacksmith. You must be thinking what they were doing. They were all performing and they were very important during building a temple. We needed all these people, all these skilled people to build a temple. Now, before going further, if you will read through the book, you will come across a place known as Hampi. Let us see about Hampi. This is a beautiful place. I suggest you, if you get a chance, do visit Hampi. You will see beautiful temples over there. Children, Hampi is located in Krishna Tungabhadra basin in Vijayanagar, and it was the umpire of Vijayanagar who founded it in 1336. Hampi is a very fortified city, which means that there is a huge long wall made by strong bricks and huge stones to be safe from the enemies. The archaeologists have told that Hampi has a fortified city because the evidences tell that it was having the huge wall around it. What is so distinguished about it? Hampi, the architecture. How? Because you can see beautiful arcs there, domes there, and 4 wall pillars, which was known as Virupaksh. And to your knowledge, Virupaksh is also a form of Lord Shiva. So these all things are very special thing about Hampi, because the architecture is the most important thing about the place Hampi. Children, before discussing about the defeat, I would like to tell you one interesting thing about Hampi, that the Parv, the festival Mahanavami, nowadays Navratri we celebrate, was one of the most famous, most nicely celebrated in Hampi. Now coming back to the defeat, Hampi fell into ruin by the defeating of Vijayanagar in 1565 by the Bajipur, by the Ahmednagar, Berar and Bidar. These were the places, the defeat, the ruin of the Hampi. Children, before discussing about the defeat, I would like to tell you one interesting thing about Hampi, that the Parv, the festival Mahanavami, nowadays Navratri we celebrate, was one of the most famous, most nicely celebrated in Hampi. Now coming back to the defeat, Hampi fell into ruin by the defeating of Vijayanagar in 1565 by the Bajipur, by the Ahmednagar, Berar and Bidar. These were the places, the defeat, the ruin of the Hampi. So students, I hope you have understood about the trade and the process, who were involved, who were the craftsmen in the chapter, and what was all about the beautiful city, place, Hampi, what was so special about it. I hope you have understood. Please go through the chapter topic wise, and for the next topic from the same chapter we will meet in the next class. Till then, thank you, take care.